latest Truck's LED work lamp innovations are all about multifunctionality. Their groundbreaking, industry-changing Radiant series are the first ever lights of their kind, offering customers a combination of powerful forward and side-facing spot beams of light without sacrificing luminosity or quality. The revolutionary LED work lamp offers 360-degree peripheral illumination while providing 50% more light than a standard work lamp and reducing the number of SKUs needed to accommodate different applications. The other revolutionary, first-of-their-kind lighting options on this display are combining work lamps with secondary strobe functions, which offer the option to enhance visibility and provide hazard warning with an all-in-one high-quality solution. Don't miss out on the opportunity to carry our latest line of innovative LED work lamps in one compact retail display. These multi-purpose work lamps will have you attracting a variety of consumers from a wide range of industries: service vehicles, municipal vehicles, refuse, trucking, agriculture, construction, off-road. Getting started is the hardest part. That's why we're offering 3 different work lamp programs that include revolutionary technology at the budget of your choice, each with engaging packaging to draw in customers, plus informative brochures that are perfect for outside salespeople. The first option is Truck's Starter Program. This introductory program offers Truck's latest cutting-edge interactive work lamp display at an attractive price to give your showroom a wow factor. Next up is Truck's Standard Program. This is the intermediate program, which includes an exciting POS display with a marketing header and a wide variety of innovative cutting-edge work lamps. When you combine the Starter and the Standard Program and add more products, you've got Truck's Premium Program. This top-of-the-line program comes complete with a POS display, Truck's latest cutting-edge interactive work lamp display, and a range of innovative work lamps to make your showroom as attractive as possible. As you sell products, shelves on the Standard and Premium displays are equipped with time to reorder stickers to give you a consistent, helpful reminder to keep up with stock so you don't miss out on potential sales. Whether it be the Starter, the Standard, or the Premium program, one of these displays are guaranteed to light up your sales. For more information, contact your Truck's account manager today at 888-950-2227.